Previous class we were solving this problem. Okay, here we this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and we defined what is a, what is b, and what is c, and after that we multiplied a into c. So a into c is 1 into 3. So 1 3s are 3. Now you are supposed to find the factors for this using the tables. Now when you find the factors, the resultant should be the coefficient of coefficient of x, that is b. Here if you see the value of b, it is -4. So you have to make a combination of numbers along with the sign such that the resultant should be -4. Now if we take -3 and -1, we will get the answer as -4. So this major equation we are going to rewrite in this form, that is x square minus 3x minus 1x plus 3. I am keeping the first and the last number as it is, that is x square variable, and the constant 3 will remain as it is, but minus 4x will be expanded. How do we expand -4? We are going to expand -4 like minus 3x and minus 1x. In the next step, we will find the common element and keep it outside, and rest of the elements will be brought inside. So for this, you have to consider first two variables first. So that is x square minus 3x. So in these two variables, x is common. What is remaining? X minus 3. X is already gone out. Now, on the other side also, you are supposed to have x minus 3 only. So, first you write x minus 3 and then you find the common element, that is -1. Be careful with the sign here. You should not take +1. If you take +1, if you multiply this +1 into 3 minus 3, you will get -3 here. So this has to be -1 and then only you'll get the answer. Then after that, take x minus 3 to one side, and then what is remaining? X minus 1. That is to be taken separately and equate it to 0. In the next step, x minus 1 is equal to 0. We have just removed the brackets from here. Okay. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have two roots, that is x minus 1, x minus 3. Now let us simplify this. That is x is equal to, if -1 goes to the other side, it is going to become +1. And if -3 is going to the other side, it's going to become +3. So therefore, the value of x is 1 or 3. I hope everybody understood this problem. Anybody has doubt here? Can we go to the next problem? Okay. Now, the next problem is x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is what we have here. Now let us solve this problem. Now firstly, define what is A, what is B, and what is C. So here A is equal to 1. If there is no number, it is 1. B is equal to 1. Again, it is plus x, right? So again, it is 1. And C is equal to -6. And let us multiply A and C. Now A into C is 1 into -6, which is nothing but -6. Now find the two factors for -6 where we will get the resultant as 1. What are the factors? How all do you get -6? Sorry, you can just first find it for 6 and then we can do the plus or minus. Find the factors for 6. 2 3s are, 3 2s are, 6 1s are, 1 6 are. Anything else? That's all right. So here we'll do one thing, we'll take 3 and 2 because the difference is 2 and 3, 3 and 2 both are same. Okay, because the difference is 1. So if we take 3 and 2, now let us do the combinations here. Now Anusha, you cannot take -3 and -2 because 3 twos is 6, correct? But -3 -2 will give you -5, not +1. Okay, so you cannot take that. So you have to be careful and do a little experiment or calculations here. Let us find out the values. Okay, Sindhu already gave me the answer. Sindhu, is that the answer you're giving me? Then the signs are not correct, my dear. Just check that. Okay, now if I take +3 and +2, if both are plus, my resultant will be 5. Not possible. Next, let me take -3 plus 2. Now, if I take -3 plus 2, I will get 1, but I'll get -1. Are you all able to understand? This activity or this calculation is important for you to define the sign. Everybody is able to follow? Please concentrate well. They will for sure ask such questions in section B. Now, how did I get -1? If you see -3 plus 2, minus sign, yeah, Bindu, wait. Minus sign is for the bigger number, correct? So I am supposed to take that minus sign down. So I don't want -1. -1 is not what I require. I require +1. Now let us do another combination. +3 minus 2. Now +3 minus 2 is 3 minus 2 is 1. Now can I go with this combination? Because I've got the required answer. If I take -3 minus 2, I get -5. This is also not the number which I require. So what is the number which I require is +3 and -2. So I'll keep 3 as it is and I will make the 2 as -2. Did you all understand? This sign part is very, very important. I'm repeating it over and again. Okay. Take few seconds, do the calculations like this in the working column side. Okay. And then go for the equation. Now let us continue. Now we have got the factors +3 and -2. Let us rewrite the equation. The equation is going to be x square. Now in the place of +x, I will have plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now find the common. If I take x as common for these two here, what will be remaining? X plus 3 will be remaining. Correct? X plus 3 will be remaining. Now here also I need to have x plus 3. So to have x plus 3, what should I take out? I should take out -2. How do I understand this, or how do I get to know I have to take -2? Now if you see here, -2 3s are, -2 into 3s are is -6. Correct? So if I take out -2, later if I want to multiply, -2 into 3 is -6. I will get back the answer. Keep doing the small check in between so that you don't go wrong. Is equal to 0. And don't forget to equate it to 0. Then x plus 3, that I will just, both x plus 3, I've taken it common. And what is remaining? X minus 2 is equal to 0. Now I've got two roots, x plus 3, x minus 2. Now let us define the two roots. X plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. I'm dividing the roots now. Okay. Now, x is equal to, if plus 3 goes to the other side, I will have minus 3. Or x is equal to, if minus 2 goes to the other side, it is going to become plus 2. So the roots of these equations are x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to plus 2. Did you all understand? Everybody understood? Can we go to the next question then? Okay. So the next question is x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, let me choose a different color here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Okay, fine. Yeah. So x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. Same exercise. First, define what is ABC. Here, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 8, C is equal to 15. So A into C is 1 into 15, which is plus 15. Now find the factors. Come on, solve it with me. Find the factors. 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, then 15 ones are, then somewhere else do you get 15? We can take 3 and 5. That will be easier for us to do. Yeah, let's take 3 and 5. Now, in this 3 and 5, we have to do the calculation with the sign. Oops, sorry. This is 3 and 5. 3 5s. Now, let's do the calculation. Plus 3 plus 5 will get plus 8. Not required. Minus 3 minus 5 will get minus 8. Will get minus 8. Yeah, we got the answer. Now, if at all we had to take plus 3 and minus 5, will not get the answer at all because it's going to be minus 2. Minus 3 plus 5 will be 2. So what is that which is required? Minus 3 and minus 5. Are you all able to follow? Yes or no? Okay, good. So it's going to be minus 3 and minus 5. Now solve and say me the answer. Try solving this. X is equal to 3 or x is equal to 5. Good, Anusha. Others, try and solve and say me the answer. Good. Arpita, Rida, Imran, all of them have got the answer. Bindu also. Good, Bindu. Yeah. So then, whoever are left out, I want their answers also. I think others are still solving. Okay, take your time. but I want you to put your answers here. So elaborate the how do we elaborate the equation? X square minus 3x minus 5x plus 15 is equal to 0. So x, if I take common, x minus 3. Here also I'll have x minus 3. So I can take minus 5 as common is equal to 0. So x minus 3, x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 5. So this is going to be our answer. Good. Okay. So no doubts? No doubts in factorization? Good. Very good. Now, this problem, how do we solve? Anybody can give a hint, or how do we solve this problem? Who can say? X square minus 2x is equal to 15. 15 shifts to left side. Okay. Any other answers? No? Now first check, is this in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0? It is in the form of ax square plus bx, but c has gone to the other side. Okay, so what we are supposed to do is we have to get that c to this side and then solve the problem as it is. Okay, Sindhu is super fast. She's already giving me the answers. Good, Sindhu. So we have to get the equation to this format. So what will be the equation? X square minus 2x. If you get plus 15 to the other side, it becomes minus 15 is equal to 0. Now here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 15. Now after this is the same exercise that you have to do, that is a into c, which is 1 into minus 15, you'll get minus 15. Now find the factors and solve the problem. Try this, find the factors and complete this problem and say me the answer. Five and 3. Okay, correct. Now 5 threes are what will be the sign? Minus and plus, minus 5 and plus 3. Okay. Yeah, correct. Very good. So minus 5 and plus 3 will give me minus 2. Very good. So minus 5 and 3. Now factorize this, elaborate in the equation and solve. Anusha, is that the answer you're saying? X is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 5? Or is that the factors? Okay, anyway, solve the problem. No problem, then we'll see. So we'll have x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Rida, is that the answer or factors? So if x is taken as common, x minus 5, factors. Okay, factors are correct. Now solve the problem and give me the answer. Here also it is x minus 5. So I'll take plus 3 because 3 5s are minus 15 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5 or x is equal to 3. Sorry, I think there's some problem. Okay, x plus 3, right? So you will get minus 3. Everybody got the same answer? X is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 3. How about others? 5 and minus 3? Good. Now, next problem. Start. Same exercise. Here, A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 11, C is equal to minus 21. So A into C is 2 into minus 21, that is 42, minus 42. Now find the table. Good, good. If you have got the answer, very good. Now find the table. Find the factors here. For minus 42, what all can be the factors? Where you should get minus 11. Be careful with that. Seven into 6 you will get. But 7 and 6 is not 11, no, Bindu. If you add 7 and 6, you don't get 11. You will get 14 into 3. That is also 42. And then 21 into 2, as usual, whatever we have got, we get 42. So these are the factors that we get. We have 7 into 6, but 7 plus 6 if you take, you get more. 6, we get 13. We don't get 11. 14 and 3, 14 minus 3, you will get 11, right? This is okay. 21 minus 2 plus 2, you will not get this anything. So 21 into 2, you will not get any factors. 7 and 6, you will get 13. So we will have to end up with 14 and 3. Good. So 14 and 3 are the factors. Now you have to get minus 42. So which one you will put minus? Minus 14, the bigger number if we give minus. So minus 14 and 3 will give me 11, but it is minus 11. Okay. Now let us finish the equation part quickly. So 2y square minus 14y plus 3 minus 21 is equal to 0. So if I take 2y as common, now if you see here, 2y minus 14. 14 also is divisible by 2. 2 sevens are 14, right? So I will take 2y as common. I'll not only take y, I'll take 2y as common. So what will be remaining? Y minus 2 sevens are 14. So y minus 7 will be remaining. Okay. Now on the other side also, I want y minus 7 to remain. So I can take 3 as common here. Plus 3. Plus 3 will be common. So 3 into minus 7. 3 sevens are 21. So since it is minus 7, I'll get minus 21 is equal to 0. Did you all understand this first part? 2y. How I took 2y as common? Yes? Okay. Next. Y minus 7, 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So we have got two roots. Y minus 7 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so these are the two roots. Now y is equal to, now if you see here, minus 7, if it goes to the other side, it will become plus 7, or what is the other one? 2y 2y is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 3 by 2. So we'll have two answers here. Y is equal to minus 3 by 2 and y is equal to 7. These are the two roots that we will be getting. Understood? Any doubts until here? Any problem? Any part of the problem you have doubt? Guys, reply. Okay, then let's do this problem. Let's start. Now here if you see, the value of A, B, C are a little more. Here A is equal to 9, B is equal to minus 22 and C is equal to 8. Correct? C is equal to 8. Now A into C is 9 into 8. So what will be the number? 9 8s are 72. Now you should find the factors in such a way that you should get minus 22 as the answer. Now find the factors. Try and find where all 72 is divisible. 9 8s is already there. Then 12 6s, 18 4s, 24 into 3 is also 72. Then 36 into 2 is also 72. 18 and 4. Okay. Now I will teach you one more way of finding the factors. Okay. All of you take your calculators. Everybody take your calculators. Let me also check here if I have a calculator. Wait a second. I must be having a calculator. Yeah, I have a calculator. Now, what is the resultant? 72 is the number, correct? Now start dividing 72 from 9. If you see from 9, if you divide, you get whole number. Okay, consider where you get whole number only. So 9 8s are 72. So this is one of the factor, 9 into 8. Okay, then again, if you divide by 8, you get 9. 9 8s are 8 9s are. Both are same. Then again take out 7. Now if you divide by 7, you get point. Don't consider the number with points. So 72 is not divisible by 7. That option is out. Then 6. Come to 6. So if you divide it by 6, you get 12, which means 12 6 are 72. Okay. So this is one more factor, 12 and 6. Then if you come to 5, you get point. You cannot divide 72 by 5. 4. 18 into 4. 18 4s are 72. That's one more factor. Divide by 3. You get 24. 24 into 3 is also 72. Then 2. 36 into 2 is also 72. Did you understand the logic how to find the factors? Just start dividing it in reverse order from 9 to until 2. Don't go for 1, because if you divide it by 1, you'll get the same number again. Okay, that's another easy way for you to actually understand how to find the factors. Okay, now here we have got the values, and let us find the factors here. We can take 4 and 18, and what will be the sign? We have to get minus 22. So minus 18 and minus 4. Answer is 4 by 9 or 2. Very good. Sindhu and Anusha has got the right answer. So I can take 18 and 4, where I'll keep both the signs as minus, because when I add both of them, you will get 20 minus 22. Okay, so let us solve the problem now. So you will have, okay, one second, it doesn't look like A. Okay, you'll have 9x square minus 18x minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. Then 9x I can take as common. So I'll have x minus 2. 9 2s are 18, right? So x minus 2. So other side also I can have x minus 2. So I'll take minus 4 as common. So x minus 2 into 9x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, or 9x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, or 9x is equal to 4, and lastly x is equal to 4 by 9. So this is going to be the final answer for x, 4 by 9, and x is equal to 2. Everybody got the same answer? I'll use the next page. It's okay. Yeah, everybody got the same answer? So any doubts in the factorization method? Any doubts in this method? Good. Now I will be giving you practice problems for this. Okay, I'll be sending you around 10 problems. What you have to do is solve it in your classwork. Don't do it in any assignment book. Solve it in your classwork. After this problem, just continue, solve it in your classwork, all the 10 problems. If you have any doubt in any of the problem, we shall discuss it in the next class. Okay, I will first send you the questions today. Okay, I will also send you the answers somewhere tomorrow or on Monday, so you can verify your answers, and then if you have any doubt, we shall discuss it in the class once again. Clear? Understood? Okay, so we'll wind up the class here for today. Okay, thank you, students.